Let's take a look at some of the new vision work that came out of OpenAI recently. To investigate this work, we're going to jump over to Spaces. This is our Canvas user interface for doing a lot of the multimodal workflows. We can see we dropped a couple images in here as well, and I can throw another one in for good practice. Let's use this one to begin. So we have a few different models that are vision enabled. We'll use the latest GPT-4 Omni, do an analysis request, and select the area we want included. We'll let that get kicked off. Great. As that's running, I'm actually going to come in and I'm interested in this area. Just to make it a bit easier, let's do a nice purple or green color. And we'll ask a harder question. Great. And kick that off. I'm not a basketball aficionado, but I think that would be correct. Cool. So we got some nice results here. It's able to reason on top of image data. And in our analysis, we're able to get a nice high-level overview. We can copy that and include that in a report later. Let's move on to another example. In this case, we're looking at some economic data from Fred. I'll kick off an analysis. And for fun, let's do a quick head-to-head with Claude, OpenAI, and Google. We can kick all three of those analyses off quite quickly, and we can wait for the results. OpenAI calls out a long-term upward trend, notable increases. Pretty nice. Looks good to me. We can dig in a bit further if we're interested. These ones are going to be a bit slower, but the models are improving. And then lastly, I think Google just came out with a new model in the last 48 hours. We should probably add that one in. But we can see obviously the level of quality and detail from the latest models to some of the older ones. Lots to dig in here. I'll keep it under 3 minutes and we'll pause.